Your phone number? Yes,
Yes, selected.
One, two, three.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are from Mahle Behr India Private Limited. The team Elevators.
Mahle Behr India is joint venture with Anand Group.
These are the manufacturing plants of Mahle in India, and we are from Pune.
Mahle Behr India produces two types of products. First is engine cooling, second is air conditioning.
And our valuable customers are Tata Motors, Mahindra, VW, and many more.
This is our quality circle journey 2016 to till the date. We achieved number of awards in CCQC, NCQC, and ICQC.
And this is the product blower. Blower is the heart of most automotive HVAC system. It consists of electrical motor attached with the fan, and the whole assembly is called as a blower motor. Blower is used to blow both hot and cool air inside the HVAC system.
Hello, I am Parmar Sunil as a team leader.
I am Pooja Uppar.
I am Trupti Kadam.
I am Prasad Kadam, and we all are from production department.
And this is our project, elimination of human error at TW blower cell from 45% to 0%. And this is our quality circle effort. Our decreasing head on Friday 3 to 5 pm. Our attendance is 100%.
We identified 60 number of errors.
And we eliminated 60 numbers of errors.
Supporting documents attached in files.
And this is our project planning. We started our project in August 2017.
Human error. Before going for the presentation, we have to know what is human error. Human error means something has been done that was not intended by actor, not desired by setter rules or external observer.
सुनील तुमको पता चला what is human error?
नहीं समझ में नहीं आया.
मुझे भी नहीं.
Okay, I will give a practical life example जिससे सभी को समझ में आ जाएगा what is human error. यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं जिन्होंने मोबाइल चार्ज पे रखा और बटन ऑन करना भूल गए?
मेरे साथ हुआ.
मेरे साथ हुआ है.
Almost ये सभी के साथ होता है. It's a one of the type of human error. For better understanding, I have a video footage. होप अभी सभी को समझ में आ जाएगा what is human error.
Now we will know what are the human error approach. First one is I don't know.
It can be solved by a training.
Second is I know but difficult.
Make operation easy or change the process.
Third one is I know it's not difficult but boring.
Avoid repetition by automation, job rotation, or combining the operation.
Fourth one is I know it's not difficult, not repetitive, but forget.
In this case, use Pokayaka.
These are the methodology of human error identification and solution generation. By using these 9 steps, we completed our project.
First step is selection of problem. First, we have collected all the internal defect data from our HVAC lines. Here we came to know that blower cell internal defects are more than other HVAC lines. We are having 3 blower cell: VW blower cell, Mahindra blower cell, and Tata blower cell. Again, we have collected internal defect data from these 3 blower cells. Here we came to know that VW blower internal defects are more than other 2 blower cells.
After dividing VW blower cell defects in various categories like human error, supplier issue, machine issue, methods, and others. In this, we found human error is contributing 45% defects compared to the other defects. So our team set a goal to elimination of human error at VW blower cell from 45% to 0%.
Our next step is process step breakups. We have taken video footage for a selected process. Then we break the steps according to the process flow diagram. First station is a C-frame machine. Here, impeller and motor get assembled. Second station is a high RPM station. Here, we test the impeller crack testing. Third station is a balancing machine. Here we reduce the vibration of the motor by adding the weight to the impeller. Fourth station is a motor holder station. Here holder will get assembled to the balanced WIP. Fifth station is a firewall. Here we inspect the product.
Our third step is error identification. After the breaking up step, we identify all possible errors that can be done in station wise. And the first one is C-frame machine, where the defects are wrong impeller assembly and wrong motor assembly. And also there is a possibility of sharp play, carbon brush damage, and adapter damage. And our next station is high RPM station, where the defects are impeller rubbing and forgot to check high RPM.
Third station is balancing machine, where the defects are blower vibration and high initial. Fourth station is motor holder station, where the defects are wrong holder assembly, buffer unlock, connector unlock, holder naming RAD to LAD.
Our fourth step is brainstorming. After that identification, to dig down our analysis, further we conducted brainstorming session amongst the team on each other. These are the 16 types of human error that can be done by human. Based on this human error, we made a matrix. Human error versus process step breakups. From this, we came to know these human error happen on each process. For example, pick up the motor from box, have 4 errors which are incorrect selection, incorrect counting, misrepresentation and incorrect holding.
Next step is identifying improvement opportunity or a quick win. Quick win defined as action took for the error which should be easy to implement, fast to implement and also should be a reversible.
First quick win for impeller rubbing. Before, when impeller gets start to rubbing, operator was not able to stop the machine at the middle of the cycle. Due to that, rejection was increasing. After we implemented emergency button, so operator can easily stop the machine at the middle of the cycle.
Second quick wins from wrong impeller assembly. Before we were using same impeller color bin for both RHD and LHD. Due to that, operator was not able to identify current model. After we changed LHD impeller bin color from blue to green, so operator was easily identified.
Third quick win for mix-up of high RPM tested part and not tested part. Before there is a no identification on impeller, so that operator was not able to understand which is high RPM tested blower and not tested blower. So that we have started HT marking on a impeller periphery, so that now operator can easily identify the blower. This is our effectiveness chart. Here we can see that after implementation of the quick wins. Here we can see after implementation of our quick wins, our defects are reduced, but it is not completely become zero. So that we went for further analysis.
Our next step is generating solution. To eliminate defect completely, our team started to generate a solution with the help of these 13 error proofing principles. Using these 13 error proofing principles, we categorize our error which can be prevented from occurrence or which can be minimized. And this is how we use the principle as a question to generate a solution. For example, wrong impeller assembly, we use adjustment as a principle and generated this solution.
Next step is evaluating and selecting solution. After generating solution, we have evaluated this solution with the help of SPN. SPN means solution priority number. SPN is categorized into 3 types: cost, effectiveness and implementation. For example, to this we given 1 to 3 rating score. For example, cost 3 is for low, 2 is for moderate and 1 is for high, and also applicable for effectiveness and implementation. For one of the example is wrong impeller assembly. For this error, we generated 4 possible solutions to know which solution can be implemented, and according to cost, effectiveness and implementation. For that we given SPN rating score.
Now it's time for implementation and tracking.
Implementation for wrong impeller assembly. Before, as we can see, we were using common picture for both RHD and LHD model. Due to that, wrong impeller assembly was happening. To eliminate this one, we added a mechanical Poka-Yoka according to the impeller vane design, and we also separated the picture.
Second action for wrong motor assembly. Before, there is a chances of interchange of RHD blower into LHD blower assembly and vice versa. Since the design of RHD and LHD impeller vanes direction opposite, so air flowing also in opposite side. If RHD blower, so avoid this, we implemented detection Poka-Yoka by adding metal sensor with plate. If RHD blower assemble in LHD HF, air flow not pass through the metal sensor. If a metal sensor not activated, final basket not generate on EOL. We have implemented same in LHD EOL.
Next, implementation on blower vibration. Before, there was a chance to defective motor and unbalanced motor can pass to the next station. There was a major human error. For that, we implemented reverse trolley with a sensor and interlock with balancing machine. If now defective motor and unbalanced motor comes in balancing machine, operator manually declamp it and it should go for reverse trolley. Otherwise, next cycle will not start.
And our next implementation for forgot to check high RPM. Before operator forgot to check high RPM, that product can be directly took to the next station, which was balancing station. To avoid this one, we interlocked a high RPM machine with a balancing machine. So if now operator forgot to check high RPM and directly took it to the balancing machine will not start until and unless that product will not check in high RPM machine.
Next implementation is on wrong motor holder assembly. Before, we are using common picture for both RHD and LHD model, so that wrong motor holder assembly was happening. After we have separated the fixtures according to the holder design, so that wrong motor holder assembly was completely eliminated.
This is the effectiveness chart after the regular implementation. As we can see, our internal defect due to human error is completely eliminated, and we completed our project successfully.
Next step is standardization. We updated all documents as per requirement, like drawing and PAPME updated, and also work instruction updated, checklist updated, and also given training to operating engineer.
This is our action plan for identified errors.
Tool used in our project: Pareto chart,
SPN rating sheet,
Flow diagram,
Project planning sheet.
error identification sheet. This is our tangible benefits. Internal defect due to human error reduced from
45% to 0%.
Productivity improved from
320 numbers to 350 numbers of per shift.
Rework cost reduced from
45,633 rupees to 0 rupees.
RPN number reduced from.
168 numbers to 60 numbers.
This is our project planning. We completed our project within given target date.
intangible benefits. Observation skill improved.
Understood the methodology of human error identification.
Gain the knowledge of QC tools
Communication skill improved.
and team
Team
spirit.
Horizontally deployment. We horizontally deployed one of our action, that is interlocking of balancing machine with the rework trolley in Mahindra blower cell, and our next implementation is on Tata blower cell.
And this is our current project status. Project is on elimination of human error at Mahindra blower cell.
So, quality is never an accident. It is always the result of high intention, skillful execution and sincere effort.
And our quality circle journey will be continued.
Thank you.
Any questions, sir?
In your slides number not mentioned.
Mention.
Yeah, you both are standing, so I cannot.
Sorry for that.